Okay, here's my clothes dryer, and I'm going to take a video of my phone going inside the dryer. I don't know why I'm doing this, but let's just see what it does. Hopefully the phone doesn't break. I'm only going to leave it in for a couple seconds, so I'm going to lay it in there. I got the light on my phone, the video light, and I'm going to shut the door. Door's shut, and now I'm going to push play, or start. Here we go. Alright, I gotta find my phone now. Oh, there it is. Alright, well, that was it. See you later.